let's start explaining the coordinate system. So this is our y and this is our x axis. Y is vertical, x and horizontal axis. There are 4 quadrants. It's first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. Remember, it's going anti-clockwise, not clockwise but anti-clockwise. So let's remove this for now. So, the first point is where these coordinate axes are getting together is 0, 0, 0, 0 point, and here is 1, 2, 3. If we want to draw this point, this is becoming 3, 0, A. Now let's find the coordinates of B point. 1, 2, 3. Coordinates of B point is 0, 3. B. And now if we want to draw a point where the on 5 and 4, it should be here. Yeah, that's it. This is C point. Now we learned how we can put a point according to its coordinate system. In second quadrant, let's make another point in second quadrant. Here x is negative. Let's say -1, -3, -5, -6, and 4. Let's say -6, 4. So these in second quadrant, -6, 4, and so on. Now let's erase all of them. So all points are erased. Now let's look at the following function. Fx equal, let's take a very simple equation, x plus 1. In order to draw the graph of this function, we have to create a table. This is x and this is y. Yeah. So first point is 0. Then when x is 0, y is becoming, remember fx also is y, yeah? The fx also y, 1. When x is -1, then y is 0. Then 1, 2. Actually, this is a line, function of the line. We need only 2 points, but let's add 2, 3 more points, and etc. So let's draw first point, 0 first. Yeah, let me put red here. So second point, -1, 0. Third point, 1, 2 here. Fourth point, 2, 3. And fifth point, 3, 4. Now we can basically draw a line. We just need to, sorry, it didn't work. We just need to as you can see, we draw the line going the function of this